Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Firebase App Check and reCAPTCHA Enterprise, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize your application with Firebase App Check and reCAPTCHA Enterprise, start by logging into your Firebase console. Navigate to the App Check section in your project dashboard. Select Get Started to enable App Check for your app. Choose your platform from the options provided, either iOS, Android, or web. For this guide, we will focus on the web platform. Register your app by clicking Add App. Follow the prompts to input your app's name and domain. Once your app is registered, select reCAPTCHA Enterprise as your provider. You will need a reCAPTCHA Enterprise key for this step. Open a new tab and access the Google Cloud Console. Create a new project or select an existing project that you want to link. Navigate to the reCAPTCHA Enterprise section in the Google Cloud Console. Click on Create Key to generate a new reCAPTCHA key. Fill in the required fields, including the key type and your domain information. After creating your key, copy the site key and secret key provided. Return to the Firebase console and paste the site key into the corresponding field. Configure your app for reCAPTCHA Enterprise by following the Firebase guidelines. Make sure to include the required dependencies in your project. Use the provided JavaScript snippet to initialize App Check with the reCAPTCHA provider. Call the appropriate Firebase methods to verify the App Check tokens in your app. Test your implementation to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Monitor your App Check usage and performance from the Firebase dashboard. Address any potential issues by consulting Firebase documentation. With proper setup, your application will be secured and ready for deployment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.